How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, and this is Mediaboxent. What always be bringing you the latest in technology. So today, what I'm going to show you is a video camera in 5K. Wow, 5K in 30 frames per second, 48 megapixel pictures. We can say level entry, or maybe beginning camera, or let's say a cheap camera, if we want to call it that way. It starts about 180, and sometimes you find a coupon in Amazon. By the way, I will leave the link right below this video so you guys can check it out. I think right now looking is $189.99 plus $10 off. I did a great test, so we're going to show you all the tested into the camera. But like always, I want to show you exactly what you get, right, when you get this camera. So that's what you get, 5K. And by the way, I'm going to show you one of the things. It says 10x zoom, but for some reason in the instructions says 3x. I had to prove that. I'm not sure. I don't know how to prove if it's 10x or a 3x. Sometimes I notice that this type of camera, they create an update, but they never change the instructions. So they still use the old manual. So they have this. So when I show you, this is to hold the camera on the top, and I think this is if you want to do a low-level recording. Low-level recording, what I'm saying is if you want to keep the camera maybe by your waist, or if you're running and you want to keep the camera right below, or you want to film underneath the car, some kind of those shots. So I'll show you how that works. So the manual is pretty, I would say, straightforward, simple. One of the coolest thing, and it works pretty well, allow you to control the camera with the app, by the way. So we can show you that too. You can configure the whole camera through the app. Works great as a webcam. So if you guys looking, maybe I don't want to spend crazy amount of money, I want to do my own YouTube videos, I want to do some live on it, well, you can use this as a webcam. It works great. And then you can use the camera to film something else. Great case. Put here your bell. What else we have? HDMI cable, USB type A to C, instructions for the external microphone. It has internal microphone as well too. 110 to 25 volts. You can charge this with your computer. It has actually an extra battery. Pretty cool. Remote control. Yeah, even to clean the lens. And that's it, right? Oh, besides the mic, let's put it on the side. And let me show you this, so then we can go the details on this. So this, what allow you to do is you put it right here. And now, I will say that will be the only way, because carrying this way, your height is not comfortable at all. But this, if you want to keep something that went to the side, if you want to look to a low-level recording. So, hey, why not? Comes here. Great. Super easy to install. All right, so we got that. Now, also, the camera comes with the, well, we can say the boom microphone. And this is extra. By the way, this you need to charge it. It's USB Type-C. Then they have a few levels. You got 0 decibel, plus 20, and minus 10. We're going to be tested out. And also, and off, it has a little light there. And also, in flat, or if you have some wind, you can do the, cut down. So it's a little filter there. Now, the camera by itself, it has a microphone. We're going to do a test live with that, so you guys can hear the sound levels. So that's great. So the way to plug it in, kind of odd. You got to go on the side, but make sure you guys remember to turn it on, because later on I'm going to show you a video where I did the test in the park. And after the video, when I'm about to edit the video, I says, why it has no sound? Oh man, I forgot to turn it on. But anyway, we're going to test the sound, and you guys want to see the video output. So minus the sound, but we test it out here live. So this way, so when you plug it in, automatic, it's going to utilize this. Make sure you turn it on. If you take this out, automatic, utilize the one inside. If you're looking right, we can see that, oh, by the way, it has a light. We can turn on the light there. So an LED light, allow you to hook up on a tripod. And battery, pretty simple. And memory-wise, they got better. I used to be only 32 gigabytes this thing. Now you can, an SD card, and I got 64 to test it, but you can put all the way to 256. Pretty simple, right? Easy to handle or to hold the camera. This way, it turn it on. Well, right now it's automatically, so it means when I open automatic turns on, you can disable it if you want. But the thing is, if you're going to record this way. By the way, it allows you selfie mode. See, we can do selfie mode. So allow me to move all these all around. Zoom. So we see right there, we have a zoom. What else? And photo mode. So you press this button right here, and it takes the photo. Then they have the mode. By the way, the standby, charging, and recording. You press right there. See, now it's blinking. So right now it starts recording. And we can go and let's activate. All right, so okay, let's stop and okay. So let's go this way. And then with the mode, I can just go and go view, video, and photo. Or the nice thing is touch screen, we can change around. So now should be able to take a picture. Full information, how many pictures you can take, and a 40 megapixel is the highest you can go. I will go the higher. We can change that in a second. Memory, and we can see it's full. And we can cycle between, we can go and cycle to different modes. What kind of modes you have? Well, you have a regular video and 5K, 30 frames per second, 2.7, and then also in 1080, it's 60 frames per second. And I think the 60 frames per second, I think there's a nice video. Also slow motion. So let's go back. So slow motion, loop format. So remember, loop format will continue to record until the memory is full. When it's full, we'll go back and delete the oldest video. Timer and picture. So we can set the timer. We can set the multiple picture. In this case, press once and it execute 3 pictures, in a second. And also, we can set when you want to take a picture. So like this is a time, and this you just set the time and loop format time. So it's pretty much simple here. And then we can go in the configuration. So okay, up and down, shut it down, and menu. What I'm going to show you, all the videos I set with an image stabilizer on, but we're going to also do a test without the stabilizer on. And it's camera, even though the stabilizer is on, because the type of sensor, you don't want to move much. You want to go slow as possible, because then when you view the video, you're going to go you're going to get drunk by just watching the video. And we can change a lot of things from here, but I'm going to show you we can do this in the app. It's super simple. And I'm going to show you the resolution. Like I said, all the resolution. They tested all the way to 60 frames per second. All right, so from 5K all the way to 1080, 60 frames per second. And we got some pictures as well, too. So if you see, pretty simple to navigate. We have the white balance. We have effects. Lighting, 60, you're in USA, so it will be 60 hertz. 60 hertz. We can set the time, auto powered off. Language has multiple languages. You can format, reset in the version of the firmware. That's a pretty straightforward. Cannot get better than this on straightforward. All right, so we have all the information right over there. And then from here, we can execute. And we're going to go into configuration. We're going to turn this on. I want to show you this in on. So right now, they give me the name of the Wi-Fi, password, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, 0. And that's it. So I'm going to leave this on the side. I already went and download the app. We can view the picture. So the first thing, what I need to do is just go back here, and change that. Make sure this is still on. If you take too long, it will automatically turns off. So I have a 5K CAD 63. I already entered the password, so memorize that out. So it's going to connect. Okay, so let's do it right there. And should be connected. Yes, I want to make sure I click here so it stays connect. Yes, it stays connect. It's hey, you don't have it. This device is not giving internet. So if you say no, then automatically it's going to cut you off. Let's go into the app. Now I'm connected. Check this out. And I thought it was not bad at all, right? So we can really put the camera, and it's a Wi-Fi, so you should give you the say 20 feet, 30 feet. I would think so. So if you need a remote view, and the next thing with this, I can start recording. It's recording right now. Turn it off. Battery level, connection, Wi-Fi is full. You see that? Zoom. This way it would actually zoom in. You see that? Let's put it right there so you guys can see. I think that works great. Hey, yeah. See? You get the pictures. Check it out. I took 3 pictures. This depends the settings. So let's hold here. See? So you can play around with it. That's great. And let's change the zoom all the way to. So you can see here. Let me see. It's 10x. Yeah, it says 10x. Took a little time to. Not bad at all. It was great, I think. So another thing we can do is just go and view the photos of the videos. And you can just go and let's say, yeah, you can really go and play the video from here. Sure, it's going to take a little time to load up, as we see, but still, if you want something to see remote, you can download it right on your phone. You can delete it if you want. You see right there, it's playing the video. And I guess we go this way, we can see the video. Now, I want to show you, and let's go back there. The configuration, let's get it out of there. As we click the wheel there, I want to show you there. So you can really see resolution, right? So we had on 5K. White balance all is auto. We change the frequency. So we can see we can configure the camera right from the app. Great, right? So let's go and test the camera now as a webcam. So when you plug it in, 2 choices. The first choice, then it's going to be if you want to download the pictures and the videos straight from your computer without removing your memory card. Then you press that and it's going to show you as a regular drive. Put your pictures, you can copy, move. And then we're going to set as a camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plug this in. Right there. Let's turn it on. Let's leave it in 0 decibel. I'm going to move this mic. I'm going to test this out. All right. So right now it's in 0 decibel. I'm using the boom microphone. See, resolution. See, it's pretty good. Now this is 0 decibel, and this is plus 20. And this is where they cut off on. I think that was maybe win. And let's set it back to 0 decibel. Works great. And let me unplug the microphone. So we're going to be using the internal microphone from the camera itself. And right now, my voice is through the internal microphone. The other one sounds a little better. Not bad. All right, the sound is pretty good, right? Even with the internal, not bad at all. The other one maybe is a little much clear and allow you to set the decibels. So if you need more volume, better recording, you can do that. Or you can always use them when you run through your software editor. You can change that out. All right, so the next section, I show you all the tests we did with the camera. So right now, 5K, 30 frames per second. The stabilizer is on. Looks good. Thinking when I get a little closer and you can see the quality change. But, and that technically now is 10x. So let's go now in a 4K, 30 frames per second. So right now we are in 30 frame, 4K. The next one's going to be a 2.7, not yet. So we're still testing a 4K, not bad. 2.7K now, right now. I think I like the 1080 60 frame per second. And my next one is going to be 1080 60 frame per second beyond now. What do you think? Nicer, right? I like it. I like it, the resolution. Let's check a picture. Oh, sorry. This is a 2x speed. Pretty cool, right? And we're still same thing. This is 1080, by the way, okay? 2x. Really nice. Let's check now the waterfall. I think we can notice even better there. Again, 1080, 2x. Yeah, see? It's pretty cool. So if you have a special software to edit, you can just go ahead and get these type of effects right into the camera. Megapixels. So let's check the picture out. And then this one's the same setting, 48 megapixel. And now the left is stabilized on, and the one on the right is off. We can, so, and I'm just walking normal speed. You can notice the difference. All right, so what do you think? I think the camera was great. For my view, I think the 1080 and 60 frames per second was nicer. Not bad, the 2x slow motion. Picture's okay. You can see a little bit of grain on it. But again, you're looking at camera less than $180. All right, so leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Once again, I'm Dario, and this is Mediaboxent. Bye.